Hi guys, so today we're going to learn about career pathways. You're going to be taking notes on this while I'm teaching it. You will find those notes on the week 4 notes link right here, and you will be filling in these middle boxes and it will all be there for you. So let's move on. There are 6 career pathways in Michigan that we use to help you find which job or which career you're going to be going into and which classes you can take to help support that. The 6 career pathways are arts and communications, natural resources and agriscience, health sciences, engineering and manufacturing, industrial technology, human services, and business management, marketing, and technology. The first one is arts and communications. Careers in this path are related to humanities and performing visual, literary, and media arts. Career categories include advertising, public relations, creative writing, film production, foreign language, journalism, radio, and TV broadcasting. The next one is natural resources and agriscience. Careers in this path are related to agriculture, the environment, and natural resources. Career categories are agriculture, animal health care, earth sciences, environmental sciences, fishery management, wildlife management, horticulture, forestry, and life sciences. Our next one is called engineering, manufacturing, and industrial tech. Careers in this path are related to technology, necessary to design, develop, install, and maintain physical systems. So these are your architectures, your precision production, your mechanics and repair, manufacturing and technology, engineering and related technologies, drafting, construction work, all of those, factory work. When you're working on machinery, those are all related. The next one is health sciences. Careers in this path are related to the promotion of health and the treatment of disease. Careers include like dentistry, hygiene, medicine, nursing, nutrition and fitness, therapy and rehabilitation. The list goes on and on. The next one is human services. These careers are related to economic, political, and social systems. So these are anytime you're doing a service. So education, child and family services, food and beverage service, law and legal studies, law enforcement, cosmetology, social work. Any of those would fall under the human services path. And last but not least would be business management, marketing, and technology. Careers in this path are related to business. So you're talking about accounting, office administration, business ownership, economics, personal, hospitality, tourism, management, computer and information systems, marketing, sales, finance, banking, all of those kind of businessy type jobs. So these are the 6 career pathways that you will need to be knowledgeable of in order to help you in this class and also to help you with your future decisions.